Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you like our channel, please like and subscribe. Your support is great our treasure. Okay, thank you. So 38 is about uncertainty, electron position and that energy. So remember the uncertainty principle. So delta P, delta X larger than or equal to H over 4 pi. So we take the minimum uncertainty and we use the equal sign for the following discussion. So first, uncertainty of momentum will be h over 4 pi x. It is a Heisenberg picture, so naturally use the EK equals a p squared over 2m. And a lot of details is missing. We don't need to discuss them, we just have a rough idea. So because of this equation, so uncertainty of kinetic energy is uncertainty of p squared over 2m. So we just substitute this inside, so we have h squared over 4 pi x all squared times 2m, and this is uncertainty of the kinetic energy. You expand this one and you do some simplification. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is D. You got it. Well done. So you can see very smooth when you do some hard theory. The process is simple, so we can manage it. Okay, be confident. Thank you.